Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can participate in this Drew airdrop, something that is equivalent to the Win airdrop, and you need to do this as fast as possible. Okay, so now just click on the first link in the description of this video, and it's going to take you to this page. Now I'll just click on the link posted here on my WhatsApp. So, but when you check the description of this video, just click on the title of this video and it's going to open up and you will see the description. Click on the link, the first link in the description of this video, and then it's going to land you on this page. It's something very simple and it's not going to cost you much time, but this is capable of making you crazy profit. Okay, so now when you arrive at this page where it says Drew airdrop giveaway, the future of meme coin, a revolutionary meme coin inspired by the creativity and iconic style of Justin Bieber's fashion brand Drew House. Okay, that's by the way. So these are the few tasks you need to perform so that you can partake in this very airdrop. So the first one is to follow Drew on Twitter, which is exactly what I'm going to do. So click on this yellow button to follow Drew on Twitter. Okay. Once you click on that button, it's going to open up their Twitter account. Then make sure to click on the follow button. Once you've done clicking on the follow button, go back to the page. So I'll go back to the page now. The next thing is to like, quote, or retweet. Then retweet their pin post and then tag 3 friends, tag 3 of your friends so that you can be a partaker. So I'm going to do exactly that now. I'm going to go back to their Twitter handle, and this is the pinned post here. This is the pinned post, this one here. This is the pinned post. So I'm going to like now. I'm going to click on the scroll up. I'm going to click on the like button, and then I'm going to retweet this tweet. I'm going to retweet it, and then I'm going to tag friends, 3 of my friends, and I'm going to tag 3 of my friends. Let me see. I'm going to tag just tag any of your 3 friends. I'm going to tag 3 friends now. Okay, let me see. I'm going to tag this person, and then I'm going to tag another friend. Okay. Let me see. Just tag any of your 3 friends and you are good to go. Let me see. All right. Just any of 3 of your 3 friends, and I'm going to tag okay, let me tag this guy here, and then I'm going to repost. Okay, now that I've reposted, okay, next thing is to repost. I've tagged reference. I've now reposted it, and I'm going to copy the link to this repost. How to do that? I'll go back to my profile. Let me go back to my profile. Now on my profile homepage, I'm going to scroll up, and this is the repost I just made. Click on it and then scroll up, and you're going to see this share icon here. This is the share icon. This is it here. So I'm going to click on that share icon and then copy the link here. This is where I copy the link. So this is the link icon. I'm going to copy the link now. Done copied. So I'll go back to the airdrop page and I'm going to paste that retweet link here. I'm going to paste it here. Then the next thing I need to do is to join the community on their Telegram. I'm going to join the community now. So, and that is it. So I'm going to join them. I'm going to click on join, and next I'm going to, okay, yeah, I'm going to prove that I am a human. I'm going to click on this. Click to prove you're a human. I've done that. Okay, click on start, and okay, just what is saying, you don't have permission to complete this capture. I don't know what the problem is, but I have joined the team. I've joined their community on Telegram. I think I've actually done this before. That's why it's not allowing me to do it again. Right, then go back to my page. Go back to my Telegram handle, and then I'm going to get my username, which is at CryptoNas1. There's a reason for that, so I'm going to put that my Telegram username here. I'm going to put that at CryptoNas CryptoNas1. So that's my username. Then I'll go back to my wallet, my Solana wallet. Either you use Soulflare or you use Phantom, any of them can serve. So I'm going to be using my Solana wallet here, my Soulflare. So I'm going to be copying my wallet address and pasting it there. So it's loading now. Let's wait for it to finish loading. And please load up fast, okay? Please don't use your main wallet to do this. Make sure you have a burner wallet. A wallet you have funds in, so that your wallet don't get drained. When you are hunting for airdrop, don't use your wallet you have funds in them. So I'm going to be using another wallet now. So I'm going to click on receive and then copy. I've copied the wallet address. I've copied it. Then I'll go here back to the page, and I'm going to paste my Solana wallet address here. I'm going to paste it here now. Done. Paste it. Then I'm going to click on claim rewards. Claim rewards. And successfully participated. So I have claimed my reward now. So I have my referral ID here. My Drew balance is 650K. So I have my Drew balance here. I have not referred anybody with it. So I can now copy this referral link here. So this is my referral link here. This is it here. So I'm going to copy this referral link now and share it to people, okay? So go ahead, click on the first link in the description of this video and go claim this airdrop now. Don't fade this airdrop. It's going to cook. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe so that I'll be bringing you more updates. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.